Welcome, y'all. Today is January 6th, 2021, and we're just going to kind of go over a market recap real quick. Um, so let's take a look and see what was going on. As always, Russell just kind of, ripping higher here, just doing what Russell normally does for like the last 3 weeks. So it's just been ripping higher. We had a little bit of a downtick here, but these weren't really 50% retracements, so we are gonna probably see um, Russell lead the group again higher. Um, Again, this is on a 5 minute chart, but um, I mean, there's just no way that we're going to see any type of downtick for some reason. Also, Russell is these small mid caps. So like all the casinos, DraftKings, like all these other smaller companies that had a really bad time during last year's trading session. You're seeing them kind of rising higher, and so that's why you're seeing Russell just kind of leading the group. Other than that, for the most part, ES was pretty choppy. Um, it's just I don't know what was going on yesterday and today. Same thing with gold. Gold was on its high yesterday. Remember we took some good profits off of that one. So indications show we're probably going to lead higher for tomorrow, but we'll see how the Globex after hours is trading. Um, uh, I don't know what to say about crude. I've been burned so many times, but you can see crude was definitely choppy. I stood far away from here, and Nasdaq was also choppy. Nasdaq was down over 2% earlier today, and then try to rise above that, and then right before the close happening, we get lowers. Not a lower low, but hitting that low point from earlier today. So, not sure what's going on there, but possibly tomorrow we can have some choppy markets as well. We just kind of have to wait and see. But on the options forefront, I so far haven't really put any new stuff on. I'm just trying to keeping it very simple right now. But these, besides Amazon, which was a new trade for this year, everything else like Disney, Neo, Zoom, these were all from last year that just got moved over this year. So, but if we take a look at Amazon, we have this. We did it in the 5 day, so it only had 4 days to expiration on here. But right now it's 2 days left, and if we take a look at the curve, um, we really needed to. Yesterday was down 100 points. If tomorrow or Friday we get like another down 80, maybe 120, this is going to be a good trade for us. We can possibly take out 500 bucks out of this. Um, Possibly. If not, I could have flown this broken wing butterfly and made it into a free butterfly, but I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. But I also kind of want to just see what happens for Thursday and Friday, and if not, we'll just take the $80 out of this. So I'll be content with that. So really looking at just taking 30% out of this. Um, Zoom still working this skewed iron condor to the upside. Um, it's past our short strikes on here, so it's already past the 350. Um, but we'll see. I mean, I'm really looking for in the next 40 days for it to kind of be between 400 and 430. That's kind of the sweet spot, and then we'll decide to close out for again. I'm looking at maybe 20, 30% out of this. I'm not trying to go for the whole shebang or even 50% on this. So other than that, we'll go over Disney tomorrow. But that's kind of the market recap for today. Very choppy. Russell leading the group, and we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. So, you guys be safe, safe trading, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.